I'm headed to the western edge of the sizzling hot West Loop, to a location near the Illinois Medical District that's across the street from Union Park and a short block from a CTA Pink and Green Line stop for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new Evo Union Park. Evo has a 24/7 attended lobby that opens to a well-equipped fitness center with separate cardio and strength training areas. There's a treetop level sun deck with a serpentine pool and private cabanas. Evo's co-working space has a conference room and private offices. There's a catering kitchen and a party room lounge with a variety of seating options, a large screen TV, and a fireplace. The rooftop terrace has a sheltered area, a grilling area, and a fire pit. I'm in apartment 905, a studio with a sleeping alcove, looking south through floor-to-ceiling windows over Union Park and the nearby United Center. Windows have roller shades. There's a Nest thermostat. Looking at an open-plan living kitchen area. Comfortable seating. Large screen TV above a chest of drawers. Very efficient one-wall kitchen. French door refrigerator. Built-in microwave and dishwasher. 5-burner gas range with a griddle cooktop. There's a designer tile backsplash. Gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment above an undermount stainless steel sink. All the cabinets are soft close. There's under cabinet lighting. Since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, there's a goodie bag with drinks and snacks to welcome you home. All the countertop appliances, cookware, cutlery, dishware, everything you're going to need to move in, and just bring your suitcase. So home office desk set up looking over the park. When the sun shines, this space will just flood with light. We're got a sleeping alcove set up with a queen-size bed, nightstand, wide plank flooring continuing. There's a coat closet directly opposite the sleeping area. We have an in-unit washer dryer. Another closet as you would have walked in, set up with cleaning supplies. There's a latch keyless entry system. And the bath just to your right as you would have walked in. Oversized dark tile on the floor. An LED rimmed mirror above a wide vanity that has doors for storage. There's a wide walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. And a supply of toiletries. Hotel-like services from Sweet Home. Evo Union Park has a convenient location, an excellent suite of amenities, and Sweet Home has a variety of apartments here that are all a sweet deal. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.